How do you say barbecue in Afrikaans?
Braai.
Oh, it is braai.
Ja, braai.
Oh. What about hairdresser?
Haarkapper. It's like literally like cupping hair. Haarkapper.
Haarkapper. You roll something.
Ja, haarkapper.
Oh Jesus! Can you hear that?
Yeah. It's like a cat.
It's a cat.
Hello.
Hi. Is your profession what?
Hello everyone and welcome to Set the Tone. Today we are
Ride
actually...
or die? I love the awful. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone and welcome to Ride or Die, the show where we dive into the magical hair world. Today we're actually covering something that I'm most passionate about, trends. Jools actually had the opportunity to work on the Set the Tone campaign for 2025. Girl, I want to know everything about it.
Oh, wow. Okay. It was such a magnificent time. We worked with the most amazing people. I learnt so much. We have an incredible model in here today, and we're going to be working around Orange Glow, actually, which is the colour of the year.
Tell me the story of like the creative process that it goes through.
So there was about 10 of us or 12 in the room, and one really important person was Jane. She actually works with Pantone, like in the company Pantone.
So trend forecaster.
Yes, so she is in charge of all this incredible forecasting for trends and fashion and colours and all that sort of stuff. So sat in this room and we were given about 9 colours per season, right? And so each of us then voted on our phones, which is our favourite colour. What was interesting is that all of us voted for the same colours.
No way. Okay, so that was clearly the colours that
clear.
we were most attracted to.
Yeah, and Orange Glow was what the name we came up with.
Amazing.
It was such an incredible experience because then we broke up into groups and they went around the room and it was AI. Specialists came in and spoke to us about how they're going to come back tomorrow and they're going to show us all of these keywords that we put in, and then they're going to put it in through the system, this AI system, and they're going to spit these pictures out. Then they went around the room and put all of these pictures around. And so we walked around and we then came up with words that inspired us via those AI pictures. It was a whole thing. It was huge. I was so excited. And it was just like, I've never done anything like that before.
So with Set the Tone 2025, there will be one big trend for the whole year, but then 3 seasonal trends.
Yes, so Enchanted Solace, it's quite soft, it's a bit whimsical, it's kind of fairy-like. We had Rebel Fusion, which is just like punk and just a lot more explosive. So cool. I felt like I was living my K-pop dream. And we have Nocturnal Glam. It's quite androgynous, it's very sophisticated, it's quite 80s in its approach. And then we have the colour of the year, and that is Orange Glow. And I'm so excited to be doing that again today. Yeah. It's fiery, it's chargy, it's passionate, but it's also a little bit like, it can be calm and cool at the same time. It's not red. It's so fun.
So yeah, let's have some fun.
Let's do it. Coffee.
Cool. Nice.
Hi. Okay, so this is our amazing model, Jennifer. We're just going to show you how we're going to go through and apply our Orange Glow. Good news is Jennifer had her roots done not that long ago, so we are actually not coming through to retouch these today.
So this is actually a really good base because there is a little bit of warmth already in the hair, so the orange will kind of like stick onto it and grab onto it. We're actually going to be using Elumen for our full head application today. Jools is actually using the actual original Orange Glow toner.
The original formula.
And then we also just going to add our own little creativity on there and mix one of our own shades. So we're going to be alternating 2 different formulas throughout our hair, and we're going to just be using like a brick layering sectioning pattern and a little bit of a freestyle method.
It doesn't have to be so robotic. You don't need foil. You don't need anything. It's literally just playing with that sort of texture and figuring out where you want to put those colours.
So my biggest concern at this point is my white shoes. I think anyone that has worked with Elumen in the world knows that.
I got you. Okay, this is what we do. We cover you up. We're going to do like a little bow back here, and we're going to like
cover me up. Thanks, girl.
We got booties.
Wait, I have another one.
Okay.
Because like Elumen is the most incredible color in the world to work with. You can create any shade under the sun because it's all intermixable. And I truly feel like an artist when working with Elumen, but it is messy.
Yeah, and the floor of my salon.
This is amazing.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, there. I'm going to start here at the back.
I'm going to start on this side towards the front. Okay.
So we're just going ahead and alternating our two formulas and in a brick layer section. So from the one section to the other section. And with Elumen, I'm just making sure I'm really saturating the hair. And this hair is quite thirsty for color, so.
I'm actually ripping thermofoil. So what I do is grab a few and just rip them like that. The hair's a little finer through the front here. I'm going to do smaller sections because I want this color to be really poppy through the front here.
Yeah, I really like to work with different color portfolios on one canvas.
Same.
Has a really like multi-tonality and texture and it fades differently. It's definitely more of a work of art then.
Yeah, absolutely.
Make your hair dance.
Make your hair dance. Do you say dance or dance?
Well, we don't say dance.
No, that's American. Dance? You want to dance with me, lady? The bigger the sections, the more punch we're going to see. You definitely could not do this in dead straight hair because it would look like we're in the 90s again. I mean, not a bad thing, but still.
Yeah.
I mean, I love a bit of ginger spice. What a vibe. She's the original ginger. Who was your favourite Spice Girl?
Posh Spice all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always liked Posh Spice.
I can do a really good impersonation of her. Ready? That's it. This is like the brick patterning. So this is the orange glow, and this is another formula that we've made up as well.
Here, I'll use this one there and that one there. So we're kind of like alternating the two colors next to one another. I feel like it really needs to look like wet plastic.
Yes. See how much more vibrant that is? You've really got to saturate it in there. Yes, queen. Oh my goodness.
It looks incredible.
This is orange glow. I feel like we have absolutely nailed this color. I'm so happy with it. Good job, babe. Good job.
Well done.
I feel like you were beaming.
Team.
Yeah, we do. You were actually glowing. I love how dimensional it is.
100%. I have never actually used that like kind of chunky pattern.
Yeah.
But I really feel that on this texture especially, it really reads well because the colors are close together and in the same family.
So I'm going to go through and I'm going to just use some strong hairspray and I'm actually just going to pick some hair up and then just create kind of cute little shapes in the hair just for like a finish. I love that. I'm just going to play with that texture a little bit, but yeah, super, super happy.
So the way we dried it was literally just by diffusing the hair, hot heat, low speed. Obviously after layering quite a little bit of like care products on there.
Well, I think we should give you a mirror so you can actually see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I love the
Do you want to
shape.
see the back?
Can you see the back? I don't know.
Nice one.
Cute, hey?
Wow.
Yeah.
I love this.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Please let us know what you think in the comments below. Give us some hints and tips on how you would approach this color.
I'd love to see you tag us too. I would love to see your orange glow. Like and subscribe. Give us comments. Give us feedback. Ask us questions. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Cute.
Yeah. You look beautiful. Wow.
Not for
Thank you
us.
so much. You are so beautiful.
Oh.
That's so lovely.
Cute.
Yeah, absolutely.